Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV grills on Amazon. RV grills provide portable and enjoyable outdoor cooking experiences, allowing you to savor delicious meals wherever your travels take you. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. CharBroil Portable Tabletop Charcoal Grill. This is a charcoal grill, which works a bit differently than these prior models. This grill uses lumped charcoal or charcoal briquettes to supply the necessary heat output for a grilling session. Many buyers tend to prefer this method because it offers an old-fashioned feeling to the whole process. I'm not one of these people, but I can appreciate how great this model is compared to its charcoal grill counterparts. I'd call this option the best charcoal grill for RV available today. It gains this distinction because it has a broad range of incredible features. One of them is the product's steel construction, which ensures longevity. You'll also love this product's high-temperature finish capable of staying in pristine condition, even when the heat gets a little unbearable. Number 2. Ciner Chef-Style Stainless Tabletop Grill. If you're looking to get a tabletop gas grill, this next option will suit your needs perfectly. This grill is a lightweight portable model, which makes moving from place to place a breeze. It only weighs 22 pounds. The product coming with a locking cover, folding legs, and carrying certainly help in this regard as well. But this grill's portability isn't its only top-tier aspect. You'll also love that it comes pre-assembled to ensure there's no installation hassle. As someone who struggles with install tasks, you can bet I was thrilled by this aspect. I found the grill's 2 stainless steel burners to be another attractive trait. These burners combine to offer 20,000 BTUs, which gives this model a truly effective 2-burner system. It doesn't hurt that each burner comes with electronic ignition and control knobs, either. These 2 additions will make using the grill a much more manageable task. Honestly, it's such a nice feeling not having to rely on charcoal anymore. Number 3. Weber Liquid Propane Grill. This propane grill should appeal to several RV owners with its many great features. The chief among them happens to be its cast aluminum outer construction, which offers a large amount of durability and flexibility. You see, this material ensures the appliance will offer long-lasting results and top-tier portability due to it being lightweight. This aspect will make it much easier to move the machine around from place to place. I also found this Weber RV grill's stainless steel burner quite appealing. This burner is capable of producing 8,500 BTUs per hour, which should more than meet an RV owner's grilling needs. You'd have no issues cooking several burgers or steaks on this appliance with a heat output like this. The grill's other design areas are top tier, too, such as the cast iron cooking grates. Number 4. Pit Boss Grill's Stainless Steel 2-Burner Portable Grill. This is another multiple burner model that'll ensure the grilling process is as efficient as possible. In this product's case, this aspect means having 2 10,000 BTU burners to offer a griller full control over the grill's temperature zones. I found this system more than capable enough during my experience with this grill. I was able to quickly cook my food to the perfect point without much issue. But the cooking results offered by this model weren't its only notable feature. You also got to love this grill's folding legs and latching hood, which ensure a compact design. These aspects make storing this grill a much easier endeavor. The lightweight stainless construction certainly doesn't hurt this area, either. You shouldn't have any issues moving and carrying onto a beach, campsite, or tailgating event. Number 5. Coleman Road Trip Portable Stand-Up RV Propane Grill. If you want a stand-up RV grill, Coleman's Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up RV Propane Grill should be a perfect fit. This model comes with sturdy, foldable wheels and legs, which offer a hassle-free setup. As a result, you'll be able to transport and take down this model without an issue. It's an aspect that'll make activities like tailgating a breeze. You also have to love how well this product performs with its many great features. I was thrilled by this product's impressive 20,000 BTUs as well. It should be more than enough heat output to meet all your grilling adventures. You'll never find yourself complaining about the heat offered by the product with this outstanding BTU amount. The Insta-Start ignition button was another appealing feature. This button will ensure you don't need matches to get the grill started. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.